Hi there everyone, this is Karen Cochran-Hull from Tarabiz Condado and Client Marketing Solutions. I posted yesterday a photograph of this Said ball pen, okay, an old pen, and I said that I would be doing a video, I'd be posting a video, a reference, some ideas, some thoughts that came up with this very pen around our productivity in life and in business. And basically the thoughts are the following, that I had this pen and I wanted to throw it away. Well, I didn't throw it away because I thought I liked it. It's quite pretty, quite comfortable to write with. And I thought I'll go to the shop and I'll see if they've got a replacement, you know, a refill or whatever. And I left it to one side, but I kept it in my handbag to one side in a girl's handbag, you know where I'm coming from. So anyway, the long and the short of it is, I didn't do anything about it, and I then reached for the pen, forgetting that it didn't work, and started to do something quite important, and I didn't have another ball pen, I didn't have another pen handy, and I got two problems from that. Time and energy are two of our most vital commodities. We have to protect our time and our energy, keeping us high vibing as much as possible. Because remember folks, that when we're in the flow, when we're high vibing, we're going to be at our most effective, our most productive, our most creative, all right? It's where we're in the flow and we find less resistance. So basically what happened with this pen, and it's an example of how these things affect us in life, okay? With this pen, my energy came down, okay? And I lost time on two things, because I lost time having to rummage and go and ask embarrassedly in a meeting for somebody else to give me a pen. It wasn't very professional, so it affected my image as well. It brought my energy down. And when we lose our energy, when our energy comes down, then we have another job to get it back up again. And it's not always that quick, okay? So we're wasting time and energy. So the whole point of that got me thinking to some examples that I've had with some coaching clients recently in their businesses. A client who has, for the sake of not paying a €50 call out to a CCTV camera system that the client needs to protect their business against stealing money and time wasting and not following through on the systems and the operations manual implementation. Well, that client, for the sake of that, didn't follow through. So again, it's the old pen scenario. She lost productivity in her business and has now been given a good kick up the derriere by myself, and she's got her CCTV working. Another example would be another client of mine who has refused categorically, despite having the hard facts in front of him. He has refused categorically to fire a particular member of staff who is, fielding his marketing and his follow through, okay? Why do we do this? At the end of the day, we're doing it because we're procrastinating, we're holding ourselves back. So my call to action for you today would be the old pen theory. Where have you got old pens that you need to just buck out, to throw it, as we say in the north of Ireland, to throw into the rubbish, get rid thereof, all right? Or replace, so we can either replace, repair, or remove these old pens from our lives and effectively from our business, so that we can then become much more productive, because productivity and effectiveness is rooted, okay? It's rooted in time management. And if we're wasting time and then losing our energy vibes down, and we have to recuperate those energy vibes, then it's another chunk of time that we will never recuperate. So that, folks, is where my thoughts were going. The old pens in your life, where are they? So I hope this has been helpful. It's one of the little things that we do within our coaching program. So if this resonates with you, send me a private message and we'll certainly connect and see how we can work together. Much love, and let's get rid of those old pens, guys. Bye-bye.